Yeah, welcome back, guys. On these tutorials, I'm just gonna draw floor plans, right? It's gonna start drawing the floor plan. First of all, I need to delete this wall that I've created, right? And then I need to find a wall to draw. Yep. Let's start with the foundation, 230 millimeters foundation wall, right? So the base of the wall, it needs to start from top of foundation to first floor level, right? So let me start drawing it. Okay, so let me zoom in to this thing. Okay, so I want it to be 5 meters, right? Yeah, I need this to be 5 meter. So what I'm gonna do, touch it here. Oh, it's 5 meter. And I also need it to be 5 meters on this side. Annotate detail line. Need to be 5 meters, right? So I'm gonna align, right? Delete you. So and let's check. This wall start from top of foundation to first floor level. Let's draw a second wall again. It should start from top of foundation to veranda level. So this okay, and then yeah, I'll need it to be at least, let's make it 2.1, right? Point 1, and then let's delete this. Oh, we don't need to delete this, right? Hey, what am I thinking now? We need to align this here, and then we need to connect this, right? And then we can delete it. I don't know why I deleted that thing. Now we need to draw the interior wall. Then let's find foundation. Okay, let's draw it from here to here, right? So I need it to be 1.1, or let's make it 1.1. Right, let's align it. Yep. And then we can, and then from here let's make it 3 meters, right? Then we can align it. Yes. Then we can get something like this. This will be a kitchen area. And then what we need to do, we need to add a foundation beam, right? How do you add a foundation beam to this? We have to create one first. I need to go to structure, foundation, walls, and then let's duplicate it. Let's name it let's name it 700 by 230, right? It's concrete. Let's say 700 230. Okay, and then let's create them. But before we could create them, right, we need to do this. Go over there, view range, set to ultimate, so we can see what we're doing, right? So come to structure, foundation, and then this, then we can attach the foundation. Beam here. It's not a slab, it's a beam. Yes, we've attached the foundation for this 230 millimeters wall. Then we need to attach another foundation again. So we need to create another foundation. Let's do, okay, no. Let's go here. We can duplicate this. No. Come here. Duplicate this. Make it 500. Only change 500. Apply, attach, and then yeah, we're done with the foundation wall and its beam. Oh, something wrong here, you can see, right? So what I did not do, I did not locate this wall. This wall is supposed to start from top of foundation to first floor level. Yeah, let's go back. Yep, it's okay right now. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next video, right?